Good morning. It's very early. It's almost 5:30. That's what time we have to go downstairs in the lobby to meet up at archaeological sites. So I think this will be very interesting. It's the first time out of Istanbul. So tag along, and if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be videotaping sometime today. See you soon. We are on the bus and we're still headed towards Ephesus. We've already had 2 breaks and we're in a tunnel. It's quite long, but we're nearing the end of the tunnel. You'll get to see what it looks like right about now. A bunch of buildings on a mountain. I don't think they're even occupied. They're all empty. Every one of them. There's no way anyone's living in these things. They are totally empty. It's a whole city of buildings that look the same. This is the suburbs of Izmir. We're almost getting to the coast. The Aegean Sea. I'm not sure what the population here, but it looks pretty big. It looks like a very big city. And this is the beginning of it. Yeah, finally arrived. We're going in. And it looks like they're doing some restructuring and some repair work. It's all as usual. This is the remnants of Roman civilization in Turkey. Very extensive ruins here in Ephesus. Quite a spot. Definitely worth coming to. Can't imagine what it looked like in the day of its glory. More tourists. It's pretty empty in here, but there are a few tourists coming. This is the kind of place you have to visit. Get the benefit of how wonderful it is, and to see how massive this place was. It's probably even bigger. Part of it's probably hidden away. Don, you would like this place, I think. Pretty impressive. This is one of those places you can just stay here all day and just take pictures and get all kinds of different beautiful shots. So wonderful. Very hard to believe how they put all these big blocks in place. It would have been a lot of work. More than I can handle. place is amazing. Looks like a lot of restoration is not really happening here, but there was an earthquake that destroyed a lot of this. It's just amazing. Earthquake, the Ottoman Empire, all the different cultures that were here had something to do with putting an end to this beautiful place. Baking factory looks like a fashion show of some kind. Very interesting. Very interesting. What the heck? I wasn't expecting this. Very expensive. But I'm sure somebody will buy something. They always do. Smells nice in here. Very leathery. Very nice. But again, the price US dollar. We're spending more time in here than we did at the archaeological site. That's not a very good thing. I wasn't even sure. We never even mentioned this. I'd like to leave right now. A lot of hard selling. No, grazie. Very nice selection. But I didn't come here for this. That's here. There's our bus. There's only 14 of us altogether, which is amazing for this big humongous bus. And there's another bus. And they all seem to stop at this place. And it's a hard sell. They want to sell you very, very, very expensive clothing, which is probably nice, but I don't think so. Nice old artifacts. It's a weight scale. Looks like.
Şimdi mi?
There's a train museum here, but I'm not going to go in, but I will take a picture of this train. It's probably enough. It's kind of cool. Guess I don't have to pay for the train museum. I'm in here somehow. Looks like this one collects grain. Very cool. Okay, the new tools. Maybe they worked under the train. Like getting an oil change, I guess. It's a pretty spot. Everyone had lunch, but I'll just wait for dinner tonight. I'd rather just do this. Explore the area. This is on the way to the house of the Virgin Mary. Similar to all the other things that I've seen. They try to nab you And then you get past it and you continue walking. This is the house of Mary. The Virgin. No photos, so nothing inside. Okay? This is an enormous wall of making wishes. Let's see what some wishes are. Okay. Very interesting. The wall of wishes. I wish I would get rid of my cold. Very cool. People making their offerings. They've made this place very religious with a little bit of tackiness. Restaurants, souvenirs. But it's nice. It's very nice up here. This is an ancient water cistern. Another archeological site. I'm not sure where we're going right now. I'll have to ask. But whatever we're doing, there's like a gauntlet of things to buy. This is one of the biggest amphitheaters, 25,000 seating, and all kinds of things happened here. Animal fights, gladiators, and so on. Place is quite amazing. Endless pieces that are considered rubble, but pretty precious. No privacy here. You have to go to the bathroom to go. Good invention, I guess. Might be the end of my videos for a while. I forgot to bring my charger, and my phone is almost dead. But there's just too many pictures to take anyway. Pretty impressive. In the hallway. It's quite dark here at this resort that I'm staying at tonight, but I heard the beach was right here, so I'm gonna have a quick look. It is quite dark, but I can hear water. It's crashing against the shore. Just a small beach. That's about it. A little beach.